Teambuildclub pays. So in this video today, I'm just going to take you through Teambuildclub again. It is a very fast, viral movement, viral growing platform. And if you are not on it, you are missing out. So today in this video, I'm just going to take you through Teambuildclub, just show you that they actually pay out. So every time I go into a product or company, I'd like to do a withdrawal pretty soon and make some sort of payment proof video just to verify it pays before I go pushing it too much. And this one pays. So if you want to see more about Teambuildclub, stick around, watch this. I'm also going to give you a few tips and tricks to help you building a network to bring you in some income with it as well. So make sure you do stay till the end and watch that. So let's get into this video. Okay, so here we are in my back office in Teambuildclub. Now you can see up here I've earned a total of €191. My account balance at the moment available to withdraw is 16, and I have totally withdrawn €25. Now this came to me in PayPal, okay, and it was about €23 by the time it came to me. So the PayPal fees are a bit high, but there is multiple ways to get paid out in this platform. Now I have been testing things, and that is why I've only withdrawn such a little amount. What I have done is I went and upgraded myself to a gold. That is $100, and what that does is that gets me into a guaranteed monthly pool where I just get an income each month for doing nothing, even if I don't refer, okay? So it's just one big pool that is available for the gold members, platinum members, and diamond members. So I went ahead and got myself in that pool, which cost me €100. And I also went and brought two basic vouchers. So two basic vouchers like this. You can buy them over here. And I gave it to a few of my team members in my downline, just the ones that I know that are going to work. And I know the area they're from. This is such large money, so I made sure I help them out. Now the reason I did that is because with a basic member, if you can upgrade to basic, you are going to get the full amount, okay? So you get the full commissions, but with a free account, you're only going to get half the commissions. Now this platform is just adding more value and more value and more value. Since the last time I was on this video, they have updated their boot camp, okay? So now if you go into their boot camp, you've got all of this training, okay? All of this training, all of this support, and also in the training for paid members, they've also added a lot in here, including video marketing, which is something I do. I haven't actually went through it yet, but I will go through it at some stage and watch their videos. And one more thing that they have added is something really cool, okay? And that's if you scroll down the bottom, they've got Google Adsense now. So before you can advertise your business, you can still advertise your business on this, but they are setting up another way we can earn from this platform using the power of Google Adsense. So each time we see these, or you click on an ad or something because you're interested in that ad, they're going to earn a bit of commission from their Google Adsense, and they're going to work with that. Now this is just a new platform, new program. Be a little bit patient because they're still working on implementing all this stuff. So they're going to set up another nice income stream for us here somehow. How it's going to work, yeah, we're not quite sure. Obviously, the team's working on the best ways to do that. Now, I really want you guys to get some results, okay? So I'm going to go into Google here. And I've just typed in Teambuildclub up the top. Now, ranking in these tags is one of the most powerful things you can do. Now, especially when you get paid and stuff like that. Now, I've just got paid out, okay? So this video is probably going to be something like Teambuildclub pays or something like that, okay? Or will probably be something like does Teambuildclub pay? So right now I haven't used that tag, but I'm ranking in other videos without even using that tag. Now I'm going to actually use that exact tag on this video, okay? And that's going to put me #1 in that tag. Anyone that searches up does Teambuildclub pay is going to get me #1. Now, I'm not fussed with getting all the spots. There is plenty to go around. So there is also going to be other ones like that are going to be very searched, like Teambuildclub payment proof. How long does Teambuildclub take to pay out? How much can you withdraw from Teambuildclub? How to log in Teambuildclub? How to find your referrals in Teambuildclub? How much do you earn in Teambuildclub? How much can you earn with Teambuildclub? Okay, all of those phrases are going to be very highly searched. You're going to be able to rank yourself up here. Now, here's another thing. If your channel is just for promoting, like this specific channel that I'm using now is for networking. It's for building my network and bringing my network over to WebTalk. Now, WebTalk is the main platform I use. There's a link in the description if you want to join it. And it is a networking platform, and it is like my landing page for everything I do. So I'll go on one product or one program, and I'll refer that for a bit, build it up, and I'll get in front of all that network, help them as much as I can, get them results. And what they tend to do is come and follow me on WebTalk, and then they're always there for when I want to go to a new product or program. So what I use this channel mainly for is just getting in front of a lot of different people, a lot of different programs, a lot of different networks, proven networks. Now, if you've got a channel and you're not fussed about growing it big, you're not fussed about viral reach and that sort of thing, and you want to run some ads and get some really quick results, I'm going to show you a little trick right now, okay? So do not do this trick if you're trying to grow a channel organically. If you want a channel to have a high click-through ratio or that sort of thing, do not do this trick. What I'm about to show you will absolutely wreck your channel. It has wrecked my channel. It's going to continuously wreck my channel, but I'm going to continuously do it because my channel, this one specifically, is not for high click-through ratio and that sort of thing. I do have another channel where I actually teach a lot more value than what I teach on this channel, and that one is set up legit. That one is growing naturally, and that one is my pride and joy, okay? This one is just simply for giving value in all these different networks to increase my network size. So I'll do it with this. So if you've got your main channel, maybe not use that channel. Set up another channel and use that channel. But what you got to do is you got to make a review video of Teambuildclub. Anything. Now, at the start of Teambuildclub, you would have noticed at the start of this video, the reason why I was so happy and so excited and so enthusiastic is because I'm actually going to run it on this as well. So this is the cheapest way you can run a lot of ads, and a lot of ads worldwide, okay? And I mean worldwide, and you're going to get tons of signups if you've got that first 2 minutes of your video very excited, very happy, very short. They're not going to watch the whole lot, but they've got to watch that first 2 minutes, and that's what makes this thing so powerful, because your pitch, if it's a really good pitch at the start of the video, they are going to come over in masses, okay? And I'm going to do that with this video right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go timebucks.com. There will be a link in the description for you guys. It's going to cost you about $20, okay? You're going to have to invest about $20 to do this. The reason being is because that's the minimum you can deposit. Now, sign up an account, okay? And then what you're going to do is you're going to go into advertise. After you go into advertise here, so when you press advertise there, go into funds here and go add funds. So you can see I've already got some money in here. I use this all the time, guys. This is probably the best platform for something like Teambuildclub. Okay, it's not the best platform if you got some high ticket or that sort of thing, but something like Teambuildclub, this is the best platform to get a lot of referrals, and a lot of referrals fast. Doing it with the videos keeps them active as well. Okay, so you can see the minimum you can deposit is $20. So go ahead and deposit your $20 USD in here, okay? Now, once you have done that, go into clicks, okay? So go to clicks here and get your YouTube link. So after you make a YouTube video, so I'll go back in here. I'll just click on here for a second. Underneath your YouTube video, there is this share link, okay? You're just going to press this share link right here. You're going to copy that, okay? You're just going to copy that link like so. I'm not going to run this actual video. That video is there to rank, so I'm not going to wreck the click-through ratio on it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to press create a campaign. I'm going to put the campaign title in here, and it's going to be, for example, I'm going to use this video, and this video is going to be titled something like Teambuildclub Pays. So it'll be something like that. But if you've got something else, you could say, this platform is awesome, or check this out, something like this. And then just write on here, watch the video for 2 minutes or whatever. Just write whatever you want in the description. You can only have a short description up to 100 characters, but they're not going to read this anyway. What they're doing is they're just clicking the ads and staying on it. And that's why it's very important to be enthusiastic at the start, because if you're not, it's not going to convert for you. Now, you can choose where you target your audience. I just leave the whole lot on for something like Teambuildclub, because Teambuildclub is worldwide, okay? If it was something like need top tier or something, what I'd do is I'd remove them all, and I'd just put top tier countries in like that, or European countries in like that, something like that. But in this case, I just leave them all in because Teambuildclub is worldwide. Then I'm going to scroll down further here, and I'm going to go to this spot. Now, this spot here is going to how long they're going to be looking at your video, how long they're going to be clicked on your thing. Now, I will take this all the way up to about 60 seconds to 2 minutes. You can only go to 2 minutes. Now, this is going to make them watch your video for that first 2 minutes. Now, if you got Adsense, you want to do it in probably a minute and a half, because about 30 seconds for the ad or whatever. So make sure you do it big enough for your audience. Now, if you do have Adsense, this is a good thing about I like about this is I get majority of my money back. So when I run an ad on here, I get half it back. After I run $20 of an ad on here, I get $10 back in my ad. Okay, and that's from the AdSense that's set up on my channel. Okay, so once you do get your channel monetized, you will get money back from this. So you're going to be paying even half price again. And then here you can check, and then here you can choose how much you want to pay per click. So let's just say you want someone to click. You're going to pay $1 each time someone clicks on your video and watches it for 2 minutes. You're going to be ranked 186, but you don't need to pay this high. You can do that for about 1 cent, but you can go even cheaper, okay? So you can go, you're in the thousands with 1 cent, okay, 1 cent a click, and that's going to give you, for $20, 2,000 clicks on your video and 2,000 views, okay? And they got to watch it for that minute 20, okay? And that's what I'm saying, why it's so important to be excited at the start. Even it doesn't, you don't need money to prove it or nothing like that. Just be excited, show your excitement. People go for emotions. If you're emotionally involved in a company or emotionally connected and they can see that you're really excited about this, they're gonna feed on that, okay? But if you want even more clicks, you can do even more clicks. Now the difference is it's just going to take a little longer for them to finish using all your money up, and that's okay. So if you go something like the minimum here, 0.002, okay, and that's going to get you a lot of clicks, okay? That's going to get you thousands of clicks, thousands of 1 minute 20 views on your YouTube channel, or even a link. You can actually just use the Team Build Club link, but the Team Build Club link by itself isn't going to convert nearly as much as your video will. Okay, so you can see here for a $20 investment, you're going to get a lot of views on your video, and if your video is exciting in that first 2 minutes, you're going to get a lot of signups to Team Build Club. So check this out. You don't have to do this. I'm going to do this, okay, I do it all the time, especially when I come into a new product or program, especially when it's something like this. Now, not everyone stays active once they join up, but by making that video at the start, it increases their enthusiasm and actually helps at the start. To my own network from this video right here, this video is going to go up in the hundreds within the next week because they're not going to watch this whole video. They're not going to get to this part. The only people that get to this part are the ones that want help with Team Build Club. The ones that are going to be joining up are only going to watch that 2 minutes they have to, and within that time they've went into my description and they've clicked on Team Build Club. So this way works. I've proven it over and over again with many platforms. I can't guarantee results, obviously. The reason I can't guarantee results is because I'm not allowed to do that. It works for me, and it works for me every single time. So I hope this helps. Take advantage. Do this. It's $20. That's all you're risking. Okay, see you on the next one.